Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about diesel generators in electrical distribution. Diesel generators are widely used in electrical distribution systems for various purposes, including backup power, load management, and off-grid power supply. They are robust and reliable sources of electrical power, particularly in situations where uninterrupted power supply is critical. Overview of diesel generators. Components. 1. Engine. Converts diesel fuel into mechanical energy. Typically consists of a cylinder block, pistons, crankshaft, and other mechanical components. 2. Alternator. Generator. Converts the mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy. It includes a rotor and stator. 3. Fuel system. Includes the fuel tank, fuel pump, filters, and injectors. 4. Cooling system. Maintains the engine and alternator at optimal temperatures, including a radiator and coolant. 5. Control panel. Provides controls and monitoring for the generator, including starting, stopping, and diagnostics. The first one is applications of diesel generators. Diesel generators are versatile and reliable power sources used in a variety of applications. They are valued for their robustness, efficiency, and ability to provide power where and when needed. 1. Backup power supply. Diesel generators provide power during outages to ensure that essential services remain operational. Maintain life support systems, medical equipment, and other critical functions. 2. Prime power supply. Serve as the primary power source in areas without access to the main electrical grid. Provide electricity for homes, schools, and community facilities. Supply power for construction, mining, and other industrial operations. 3. Emergency and disaster relief. Provide critical power support in the aftermath of natural disasters. Supply electricity for lighting, medical aid, and communications. Power mobile hospitals, command centers, and temporary shelters. 4. Industrial and commercial uses. Ensure continuous operation of machinery and production lines. Maintain production during grid failures. Operate equipment and control systems. 5. Transportation and mobile applications. Power ships, offshore platforms, and marine vessels. Provide electricity for onboard systems and auxiliary equipment. Supply power for drilling and production equipment. The next one is maintenance best practices for diesel generators. Regular maintenance can prevent unexpected failures, extend the generator's lifespan, and ensure it operates effectively when needed. Regular maintenance can prevent unexpected failures, extend the generator's lifespan, and ensure it operates effectively when needed. 1. Routine inspections. Engine condition. Inspect for leaks, corrosion, and any signs of wear. Cooling system. Check coolant levels and look for signs of leaks or damage. Fuel system. Ensure there are no leaks and that the fuel lines are in good condition. Electrical connections. Verify that connections are secure and free of corrosion. 2. Regular maintenance tasks. Frequency. Change engine oil and oil filters according to the manufacturer's recommendations or after a specified number of operating hours. Procedure. Drain the old oil, replace the oil filter, and refill with fresh oil of the recommended type and grade. Fuel filters. Replace fuel filters regularly to prevent clogging and ensure clean fuel supply. Radiator cleaning. Clean the radiator and cooling fins to ensure efficient heat dissipation. 3. Lubrication and belt maintenance. Oil levels. Regularly check and maintain proper oil levels in the engine and other moving parts. Lubrication points. Lubricate moving parts, such as bearings and linkages, as specified in the maintenance manual. 4. Exhaust system maintenance. Inspection. Check the exhaust system for leaks, cracks, or loose connections. Cleaning. Clean the exhaust system to prevent blockages and ensure proper exhaust flow. 5. Electrical system maintenance. Charging system. Inspect the alternator and charging system to ensure proper battery charging. Battery maintenance. Regularly test and maintain the battery for reliable starting and operation. Testing. Test control panel functions, including start, stop controls, gauges, and alarms. Calibration. Ensure that gauges and sensors are calibrated correctly. 6. Documentation. Maintenance log. Keep a detailed log of all maintenance activities, including dates, tasks performed, and any observations. Manufacturer's recommendations. Follow the maintenance schedule and guidelines provided in the manufacturer's manual. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on related topics. And if you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you on your journey to success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.